Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Yesterday we reviewed time, and today we're going to do a little review with open number line with subtraction. So what I've heard is that you guys are doing great with the thought and the concept of open number line, but subtraction was a little trickier for some of you from what I understand. So we're going to review that today, and what I really want to focus on is thinking about those numbers that come before. Because apparently that was the little bit of difficulty. So if I have the equation 34 minus 7, okay, I'm going to draw my open number line here. And I'm going to start with my biggest number, which is 34. Because I'm subtracting, I'm going to start on the right side of my number line because I have to go backwards, okay? So we're going to put our 34 here, put my line, and 34. And now we have to jump back 7. It's 7 ones, so all of my jumps can be the same size. So let's do that together. Remember, we're going to start at this line and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to count backwards, and we have to think about what comes before 34. Some of you may just know that it's 33. If you aren't sure, I want you to think about place value, okay? If we look at our 34 here, if I'm going backwards, we're still going to be in our 30s until we get to a 0 in our ones place, okay? So if I count backwards from 4, what comes right before 4? It's going to be 3 ones. I'm still in my 30s, so it's going to be 34, 33, 32 for my 2 ones, 31, and then 1 less than 1 is 30. It's 0, so I have 30. Now we have to think about what comes before 30. Well, think about your tens when you count. 10, 20, 30. So my 20s come before 30, but it's not the number 20. We have to think of the transition number that came before that, which would be 29, because we know that 9s are our transition number. So I'm going to drop down 1 10, which makes it 2 10s and 9 1s. So when you get to these numbers here, think about dropping 1 10, and then it's always going to end in a 9 if you had a 0 as your 1s, okay? Then we go to our 20s, and we have 28, and then we have 27. So 34 minus 7 equals 27. All right, let's try another one together. So let's say I have 72 minus 5. All right, let's draw our open number line. And I'm going to subtract, which means I'm going to start on the right side. Start with our big number here, which is 72. And I have to do 5 jumps back. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 72, I only have 2 ones, which means I'm still in my 70s. So 72, 71, 70, there's my 0, which means I have to drop my 10s, 69, 68, 67. 72 minus 5 equals 67. You guys are going to do a practice page with subtracting with an open number line. And it's also Fact Tuesday, so make sure you're practicing your math facts. If you want some extra practice with this, I think it's on Thursday or maybe it's tomorrow, I'm not sure. One day, you're going to be doing this as part of your activities, but if you want some extra practice today, just that counting backwards, you're going to roll 2 dice and make a 2-digit number. You can roll 2 dice and make a 2-digit number. So for example, if I roll a 4 and a 3, I would make 43. And actually, I'm going to write it over this way. Sorry about that. And then think of the numbers that come before 43. So the 2 numbers that come before it. So 43, 42, 41. And then we can practice that counting backwards piece of subtracting on an open number line and that counting backwards. All right, have a happy Tuesday. Have a great Wednesday, a special day on Wednesday, and I'll see you Thursday. Bye.